Hello, how are you today? Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how I create a toy photography image. This is going to be really quickly and simple. I only have 10 minutes, so let's start. So first of all, I have my table close to the wall. Over here I'm going to use a LED light. If you don't have this type of light, you can use a lamp, and if you need to control the light, you can just move it closer or farther away depending on the intensity that you want. But we'll go with our background. I want a black background. It's going to be easier for me to either cut the image or just make my image darker, and I wish I had something bigger because it will help me get rid of the wall and the window, and it's just could be just easier for me. And I also am going to use these sticks. These branches I want to make like a forest. I don't have the time for this image. Maybe in the future. I use them to create my Avenger image that you can check that out if you haven't seen it. Over here I don't have time, so I'm just putting it on the table and I'm not even want to worry about it. I wasn't sure which kind of image to do. I just remember that I just got like 2 days ago my Hellboy from Wish. This page, it has a lot of good things, some that are really bad. Some I think that it's not really worth it just because of the shipping is really expensive. But at the end of the day, I was looking around, I always do, and it was cheaper than Amazon. And it's just an amazing quality, so I really love this action figure. So it's something that you can get it from Wish. So what I'm gonna do now is, I remember I had a skeleton that I can use and have this concept of maybe a demon raised a lot of skeletons to destroy humanity, and then Hellboy comes and kill them all, save the world again, and kill that demon. Of course, I don't have the demon, so I'm just gonna use the skeleton. Some other thing that you can use, small lights. If I had time, I will pause it. I will put it in a certain way that they illuminate the way I want it. So it's something that you can do. They're really cheap. You can get it in Big Lot or in any hardware store. I think I got this one Big Lot, and it will just help me a little bit. You won't really see it that much, but I'm just gonna put it here. So I'm gonna use my skeleton. I'm just gonna pose it, and I'm gonna put in certain ways just around to create this pile of bones. It's really hard when you're using different images and you put them together. The best thing is to have certain separation. What I'm doing completely the opposite thing and putting it all together. And I know it's not gonna be perfect, it's not gonna be amazing, but that's what I have to work with, so that's what I'm gonna do. And just remember, whatever you have, just try to use it for your image. I'm gonna use my fog machine, just from Walmart, $20. I'm impressed. It's not the best one, but I've used it in photo shoots, I've used it in my toy photography, and I just loving it. How it's not only easy, but the liquid lasts for a long time. So I'm really happy with this machine. So I'm just gonna press it, and while it goes, I'm gonna take a lot of images, and later on I'm just gonna choose the image that I want. Now that I have my image, I'm gonna build up slowly. I'm gonna put my skeletons. I'm gonna get rid of the background of the window, of the wall, and I'm just gonna paint dark. I'm gonna add some smoke. I'm gonna clone some of the smokes of the image and take other even images that I took of the same photo, but the smoke goes to different places. So I'm gonna use that, and I'm gonna add the moon, I'm gonna add fire, I'm gonna add these trees just to make the composition look a little bit better. The fire, you can paint it, you can use an image, you can use a piece of that video, you can put it in Photoshop and just export a frame if you have it. And you can do a lot of things, but to my story, it's just his inner power that he's gonna use it to kill them all. So this is it. That was a simple image. I hope you like it. I hope it inspired to create your own. Enjoy photography. Comment below if you want to know more, and subscribe, and see you next time.